Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, and that is what do you mean by trademarks objection or awaiting reply to examination report. So this is one of the procedure, one of the process. It comes while you file a trademarks application. It's the part and parcel of your trademarks application. Once you file a trademarks application, it goes through various checks, it goes through various formalities, and one of those formalities is named as trademarks objection or awaiting reply to examination report. So this is not a compulsory thing. It might happen, it could happen, because the thing is, if there are no objections, if there is no possibility of objection for your trademarks application, then it will be accepted. If there is an objection, possibility of objection, then it will be marked for awaiting reply to examination report. So before beginning this topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula, and I have an experience of more than 5.5 years in intellectual property laws, in trademarks, copyrights, patents, designs, in startup advisory, and corporate and legal laws. So I have written down this article and I have also posted this article on LinkedIn. I'm going to read out through my article. Let's get started with this video. I'll explain the contents of this article as well. What do you mean by objection in trademark? When you apply to register a trademark, it undergoes a thorough examination by the Trademarks Office, also known as Trademarks Registry. If any issues are found, like clerical errors, improper application, discrepancies in application, similarities with any existing trademarks, or not meeting other legal requirements, the Trademark Registry raises an objection. This objection can be due to potential confusion among customers, among other applicants, or if the trademark is too descriptive, too deceptive in nature, or lacks distinctiveness. The applicant then by itself or through its attorney has a chance to respond, providing merits and evidence to support their trademarks application. Moving further, what kind of discrepancies? So in this we'd discuss clerical errors, improper application. Clerical errors like you made an omission, you wrote wrong numbers, you wrote wrong alphabets. Uh, Improper application like the application was to be filed for applicant like private limited, however you chose their limited liability partnership or partnership firm. Discrepancies like goods and service description is missing, you have just written down one or two alphabets like that. These kinds of errors. Similarities like your trademarks is already similar to any existing trademark. Lack of distinctiveness means there is no character to your trademark. Lack of distinguishness means your trademark is unable to distinguish from the goods of other or the trademark of any other applicant. So moving further, this is a very common term. What do you mean by objection in trademark? However, the formal term, we'll discuss what do you mean by examination report. The legal or the formal name for the trademarks objection is called examination report. So this is where people get confused. They think examination report is different and trademarks objection is different. There is one and same thing. Trademarks objection is a word for layman, common man, and trademark examination report is a formal and legal word. Moving further, examination report, commonly known as trademarks objection, is a formal notice issued by the trademarks registry to applicant or their attorney. If the application is filed by the attorney, then it will be issued to the attorney itself after reviewing the trademarks application. This examination reports outlines any concerns or objections raised by the examiner regarding the application, as already discussed. Like we said in the trademarks objection, when we were discussing that, we said there are any discrepancies, omissions, lack of distinctiveness, unable to distinguish, similarity, these kinds of objection will be raised. And like in 91A, in 11.1, in 91B, etc. Moving further, what do you mean by awaiting reply to examination report? We have discussed about the trademarks objection. We have discussed about the examination report, which is similar to the trademarks objection. This is one and same thing. Now we'll move further. What do you mean by awaiting reply to examination report? So awaiting reply to examination report refers to the status of trademark application after the issuance of examination report by the trademarks registry. Once you have received trademark objection, that means examination report. So your status of your trademarks application on your trademarks portal, when you will put the trademarks application number, the status will change to awaiting reply to examination report. That means you have to file an examination report and the reply is being awaited. Once you file the reply to examination report within time frame, or whenever the portal is working, or whenever you get a chance, the status will change to from awaiting reply to examination report to objected. That means now your application will undergo through examination, further examination, and it will be marked for acceptance or marked for the hearing as the case may be. Moving further, in how many days one should file a reply to the examination report? A response to the examination report should be filed within 1 month from the date of receipt of examination report. And it should be filed from the online portal, or you can also file it, you can also mail at a certain email address, and that with a certain subject, and your reply will be filed with the department. Moving further, how to respond to examination report or trademarks objection? To respond to an examination report or trademarks objection, start by carefully reviewing the objections outlined by the examiner. Start first, check first of all why the objection has been raised, under what circumstances, for what sections, for what discrepancies. Collect relevant evidence and arguments that support your position. Collect your invoices, sale invoices, your purchase invoices, social media presence, etc. Draft a clear and comprehensive response addressing each objection separately if necessary. Suppose you have received more than one objection in 9.1a and 11.1, suppose. Then draft a proper reply and make sure to comply with each objection separately in single reply. What documents should one next further? What documents should one upload while replying to trademarks examination report? When replying to trademarks examination report, it's crucial to include several key documents. I'll discuss about the commonly uploaded documents. These typically consist of evidence showcasing the uniqueness and distinctiveness of your trademark, like social media presence, popularity, sales and purchase invoices, and any other publications. Additionally, include proof of prior use and proof of continuous use of trademark, so that you can show that it is a genuine case. Proper arguments and merits addressing each objection raised in the report should be provided, supported by relevant case laws or statutory provisions. Always mention relevant case laws to make your case strong. Ensure to include any other relevant documents like power of attorney, that's a must, trademarks registration in other jurisdictions, in other countries, or in other states, if you have chose the area, no objection certificate or consent agreement. These documents collectively strengthen your response and improve the chances of overcoming objections. Moving further, what points should one keep in mind while filing a reply to examination report? What should you keep in mind? You have to be clear in this case. When filing a reply to examination report, it's crucial to keep several key points in mind. Firstly, thoroughly understand each objection raised by the examiner and address them individually in your response, like I discussed before. Provide clear and convincing evidence such as proof of distinctiveness or proof of prior use to support your arguments. Ensure that your response is concise, well structured, with relevant facts and case law references. By carefully considering these points, you can effectively address the examination report and increase the likelihood of acceptance of your trademark. What is the next step after filing response to awaiting reply? You got an objection. Objection means examination report. You filed a reply to examination report. Now your mark is status is objected. After filing response to examination report and while waiting for further action, the next step typically involves the trademark registry reviewing the response submitted by the applicant. The examiner will then evaluate your reply, your filed reply to examination report along with arguments and evidences you have uploaded. If the examiner is satisfied with your reply, they will mark your reply, they will mark your mark as accepted and it will be advertised. However, if they are not satisfied with your reply, then don't worry, you will get another chance. Your mark will be marked for hearing, show cause hearing, and your status, which was once awaiting reply for examination, then it turned to objected, now it will turn to ready for show cause hearing, and the hearing will be marked for your case, and there is no timeline for the hearing. So this was all about this topic. This is very crucial topic. This is a topic which comes in the journey of your trademark. So the topic was, what do you mean by trademarks objection, or what do you mean by awaiting reply to examination report? Trademarks objection means what? Examination report. When you get examination report, you will your status will change to awaiting reply to examination report. Once you file the reply to examination report, your status will change to objected. Once the reply is satisfactory, your status will change to accepted, and then after a week, advertised. If it's not satisfactory, then it will change to ready for show cause hearing. So this was all about this topic. If you need any other information regarding trademarks objection, or any other topic, please feel free to comment down. My phone number is also mentioned in here. You can contact me over WhatsApp, you can call me. You can also email me on my email address as mentioned below in the description. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.